Hi there, Dylan here from K72. This is the fourth video in the series on using Freerace Master, and this video is going to concentrate on replays and how to get a live replay going and how to generate a video of a replay. Replays are a real value add for Freerace. At the end of the event you can show people how they raced against each other. You can create a video file with this which you can then upload to YouTube later on. You can remix and do all sorts of stuff with. It's a great little add-on and it really gives people a bit of a buzz. It also shows them where they were at different stages in the race too. So they're good fun. Now in the third video we created an event at Burham and we put 3 files which are still sitting on the desktop here against that event. And we're going to create a replay of that event right now. So I'm going to go in replays, and the quick replay is the one you're going to want to do at the beach. No files created, just you've got all your files in there and you just want to quickly replay what happened on screen. So very briefly you come in here and it looks a lot like the loading the events page. Pick your event off the list and it's going to take a short while to load the data up for it, and there it is. So we've got our 3 sailors. Barry's in red, Miranda's in green, and Edna's in blue. When we hit play, the event will start running. So we hit play and you can see that at the point that the race started, Miranda was moving but Barry and Edna were standing still. So already Miranda's got some distance on them. 370, 400 meters, 450, 500 meters. Okay. Then as we move along, you can see now Barry's starting to move as well. Now at any point you can stop that and you can use this slider to move around so we can run up to a later part of the event. This time here you can see we've got all 3 of them out. Now this tail between the circle where the sailor is and the end is a period of about 2 minutes sailing time. So 2 minutes ago they were here, now they're here. And again it uses the same sort of color coding as the other screen, where the redder is slower to green, which is very slow, and yellow is hot, is fast. So I'm going to start playing here. And stop again. We can pull it back to here and start and stop again. So at any point you could see how far the sailors have traveled so far down on this panel on the left hand side, and so who was in the lead at that particular point. You can run the bar back and see when Barry overtook Miranda, which was around about here. Now Barry's in the lead. Okay, so that's the quick replay. Now there's a couple of settings and a couple of considerations with this. The more sailors you've got on here and the more basic your computer is, the more loaded down it's going to get and it's just going to not work. You can change the speed of this, and there's an option in the settings to do that. So I'll just duck out of here quickly and we go into the file menu for the first time and into settings. There's a quick replay delay here. 300 milliseconds is usually what it comes out as a default, and that means between each frame you've got 300 milliseconds. If you change that to a smaller number, that's going to make the race go faster. If you change it to a bigger number, then it's going to make it go slower. However, a smaller number might overpower your computer. So I'm going to try 100 here because we've only got 3 sailors, but you'll see that it runs significantly faster. It was 300 before, so it should go about 3 times faster since the number is 1/3. So I'll come back to the replays, quick replay, event, Burham, and hit play, and you see already that looks like it's more realistic, Things are moving on a little faster. So if your computer is strong enough to deal with it, you can fiddle with the value there and find something that suits you. Okay, so that's the quick replay. The next video is about creating a replay video itself. I'll see you there. Thanks. This is Dylan from K72.